Linking your bank account to Betterment is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your investments more effectively. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Log into your Betterment account. Start by visiting the Betterment website or opening the Betterment app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the funding section. Once logged in, look for the funding or account settings section in the menu. This is where you can manage your bank connections and funding sources. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In the funding section, find the option to link bank account. Click on this option to begin the process of connecting your bank. Step 4. Enter your bank information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Essort to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank information, Betterment may require you to verify your account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by Betterment into your bank account. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Betterment. This will enable you to transfer funds easily and manage your investments more efficiently.